Looking for an easy way to send attendee data from Eventin to Google Sheets automatically? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate Eventin with BitFlows and make your workflow smarter and faster. First, head over to Eventin settings. Tap on the Advanced section and then Webhook. Next, go over to the BitFlow dashboard, move to Flows, and click on the Create a New Flow button. Select the blank template. You'll now be inside the BitFlow workflow window. Tap on the Select an App button, search for Webhook, and select Incoming Webhook. Now we need to create a webhook. Provide a name for it. You'll get a URL here. Copy it and paste it into the Eventin dashboard. Similarly, fill up the form and paste the URL here. Set the status to active and select the topic as attendee created. This means whenever an attendee purchases a ticket, Eventin will send the data to BitFlows through the webhook. Once done, click on the Create button. All set. Let's check the connection. Click on the Listen Response button. To trigger a response, you need to purchase a ticket and confirm the booking. You'll now see BitFlow capturing the data right after the user books the ticket. Let's send this data to Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and select the Add Row action. If your Google account is already connected with BitFlows, you'll see your list of sheets here. Otherwise, you'll need to connect it. For that, you need a Google Cloud Console account and some configurations. Make sure to enable Google Drive API and Google Sheets API. Once enabled, go to APIs and Services, then Credentials. Now back in BitFlow, click on Add Connection, where you'll get a URL. Copy this and paste it into the Google Cloud Console app. We'll share documentation for help. Now copy the client ID and client secret, then paste them into the BitFlow section. Select your Google Sheet from the list. Then map the correct tab inside the sheet. Based on your sheet structure, map the fields accordingly. Now, whenever an attendee purchases a ticket, their details will be automatically saved in your Google Sheet. So that's it. We've successfully integrated BitFlows with Eventin and connected it to Google Sheets. We hope this tutorial helped you learn more about Eventin. If you want more tutorials, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow our social channels for more. Thanks for watching.